You have lots of crayons there, huh? Jacob, can you tell me the sound of a cat?
Sound.
What sound does a cat make?
Meow,
Yeah, meow, meow. What sound does a cow make?
meow.
Moo. How about an owl?
Ooh, ooh.
Good job. How about a dog?
Oof, oof.
Good job. And a pig?
Quack,
Yeah, you're right. What about a duck?
quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Are you tired?
Hungry.
You're hungry? What do you want to eat? Yeah, there's an elephant on your shirt. Do you want an orange?
Orange.
Or do you want lemonade?
Rain.
Do you want crackers?
Egg.
Do you want noodles with tomato sauce?
Tomato sauce.
Do you want bread?
Bread.
Do you want soup?
Soup.
You want everything. You must be very hungry.
Blue.
Oh, that is a blue crayon, you're right. What animals else do you know? What does a chicken sound like? Bawk, 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 bawk. You're right. And a horse? What sound does a horse? Good job. You're so smart. How about a rooster?
Cock-a-doodle.
Cock-a-doodle-doo! God, I love you. You're too smart. You're the smartest, huh?
Green.
And you know your colors. Green. What other animals are there? Do you know the sound of an elephant? Yeah, that's a hard one, huh? I love you too much. I can't think of any other animals. Oh, what about a bird? What sound does a bird make? I hear them right now outside in the trees. Birds go tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Yeah. Are there other animals I can think of? What about a frog?
Open, open.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Open, open.
Good job. A sheep? Bang. Bang.
Purple.
That is purple. Oh, what about the mouse? What sound does a mouse make?
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak, squeak. Okay, I love you too much. Okay, let me make you something to eat, okay? Say bye-bye.
Papa.
Say I love you. Who's your mommy?
Mommy.
Yeah, and what's your name?
Jibo.
Exactly, exactly.